So today it snowed, so we got a light dusting of snow here. It's still snowing, so I guess we're supposed to get snow for a couple more days. The dog is coughing. I guess the dog inhaled a snowflake or something. So right now it's snowing pretty hard, so we got about an inch right now. And I'm not sure if we'll probably lose some tree branches because the trees here aren't really made for snow loads. The dog is all wound up. She doesn't get to see snow very often, so it really makes her go kind of crazy. So she's all excited and bouncing all over the place. I'm gonna brush the snow off the solar panels because it's getting really wet and heavy. That way they don't have to hold up all this extra weight. We got quite a bit of snow. We got maybe 3-4 inches. I'm gonna run to town and gotta get some stuff for Thanksgiving, so I think I better do that before it gets any worse. Well, the roads aren't too bad. They're kind of bare in spots, so it's better that I run in now before it gets much worse because we're supposed to get fairly cold and I'm on my way back now, and it's starting to snow pretty hard now. But the roads are not slick, there's just some snow on the roadway, but drivers go really slow here sometimes, but a lot of times they don't know how to drive here, so it can get pretty bad. Well, this morning it's really chilly, but we got a lot of snow. There may be 8 inches or so. This is probably the most snow I've seen since I've been here, so it's really nice out. I guess it's supposed to be pretty cold today and tomorrow. Right now I'm taking the dog for a walk. She's really having a lot of fun because she doesn't get to see this very often. So today I really do have to brush off the solar panels because we have a lot of snow right now. They need the brushing off. So it's turned out to be a really nice day with all the snow and stuff. So it's clear, but it's still a little cold. This trailer, all the heat goes out to the roof and melts the snow, and then it forms huge icicles coming down the side of the trailer. I wouldn't recommend living in one of these in a cold climate for very long. Oh, this snowstorm here dumped 9.5 inches of snow on us. That's quite a bit of snow for our area, particularly this early in the season, right before Thanksgiving.